Here's the new shore shifter. Twin turbo VR4 3000 GT. Pretty cool. But I wanted to show you the little clip that goes down there. I pulled it out and put it in place, so when I put the new one, it'll pretty much just snap in. I took this little spacer out, so I'm gonna put this little spacer back in now. Bam. It's still got a little lithium grease. I just like to lube it up. I added a little bit more, but the factory stuff is pretty good. Try not to get this crap all over your car, because it gets everywhere and you're pretty much gonna just reverse, which you did. I don't know if I was paying attention or recording, but you're gonna drop that in there like that. Bam, bam, set that back in there. But we got the bottom one down there. We got to get in first.